Hi everyone, today is January 13th, 2026, and this is Kokomo and Bob's Barker Miniature Schnauzer litter. This little boy right here and this little girl were born December 31st. That's right, we had two little litters that we welcomed in the world 12 hours apart. So everybody is doing fantastic. Mom's outside going potty. This is Kokomo's second litter. Her last litter was born December 2024. This little chunker is her boy. And this little one right here is sister. Yes. You can see the size difference. Sister's much smaller. But both of these little two babies are doing fantastic. This is just their quick video. We're going to bring Mom right back in. Yes. We will see you guys next week. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a call or an email. See you soon. Yeah, ain't that you get these pipes, you little leg. You little leg.